Note: the procedure shown in this video is for a mechanically similar notebook in the HP ProBook 400 series. The procedure for this notebook is identical. Caution: observe all precautions when removing and replacing components. Before you begin, remove the battery. Removal: loosen the captive P1 Phillips head screw that secures the large service door to the base enclosure. Slide the large service door away from the center and lift it up and off of the base enclosure. Replacement: position the tabs on the large service door into the opening in the base enclosure. Slide the large service door in until it is fully seated. Tighten the captive P1 Phillips head screw to secure the large service door to the base enclosure. Continue the reassembly. Replace the battery.